Get ready to light up playtime with Chanak's Bubble Blast, the ultimate bubble blaster for kids. With just one press, watch hundreds of bubbles fill the air, sparkling under its glowing LED lights. Made from safe, non-toxic material, it's durable, easy to use, and perfect for outdoor fun, parties, or playtime at home. It even comes including batteries, so the fun starts right out of the box. Available in 2 vibrant colors, with a powerful bubble action that makes every moment magical.